Senior journalist Ashok Malik, Kiran Kher of the BJP, L. Rajagopal of the Congress Party. My first question is to Mehboob Beg of the National Conference, senior leader of the party and member of parliament. Mr. Mehboob Beg, what do you make of the BJP's Reach Out program, vision document for the empowerment of minorities? If the BJP is trying to change its image, would you welcome it?
Arnab, look here, you don't build image overnight. It takes time. You want to build up your credibility, it will take time. It's not going to happen overnight. We well remember Advani, I will quote Mr. Advani, who said they are against minority appeasement of Congress. Now, having failed with their majority appeasement, they are trying their luck with minority appeasement, and I am sure they will lose both of them. Question is, if you want to build honestly your credibility, you will have to give justice to those who were massacred, to the victims and relatives of those who were massacred in 2002 in the state which is ruled by now the election committee head Narendra Modi. Come on, what are you doing? Have you changed? Has BJP changed their stand and mind on uniform civil code? Have they changed their mind on scrapping of Article 370? Aren't they governed? Everybody knows remote control lies with RSS, and RSS's basic philosophy is that that minorities should be treated as second-class citizens or driven out from the country. Are they going to change all of this? If they really want to do and change all of this, they will have to do it over a period of time.
Kiran Kher, many eyebrows are raised on this. The question is, doesn't the very fact that the BJP right now consider it is necessary to release this kind of a document for empowerment of minorities, it is an acknowledgement for the first time in recent political history, the extreme nervousness in the BJP and an admission of the fact that the BJP knows it cannot come to power without correcting its perceived image as anti-Muslim and anti-minority. There is an image problem. You are recognized. Whether you actually changed or not is another thing. But you are acknowledging that you face a serious image problem.
Arnab, the image problem that you talk about does seem to exist where perceptions are concerned. But it's not the truth on the ground. And I think that needs to be brought home very strongly. All the states that the BJP is governing right now, there is no problem with the minorities. The minorities are doing very well in those states. There is no such policy that applies only to the majority and not to the minorities. A vision document for the empowerment of minorities, not for the appeasement of minorities. Because there is this secular,
Mr. Mehboob Beg asks you, Mr. Mehboob Beg asks you, Mr. Mehboob Beg asks you, what is your position on you have a position on the Uniform Civil Code, on the construction of a Ram Mandir, on Article 370, on bringing an anti-conversion law.
Right.
The RSS is getting more and more vocal in managing the affairs of the BJP.
There is no anti-conversion law on the
Mr. Venkaiah Naidu spoke about it in April. You may not have known about it, but the fact, by the way, Kiran Kher, how many tickets did you give to Muslim leaders in Gujarat? How many tickets did you give to Muslim leaders in Uttar Pradesh?
People.
How many tickets did your party give? If I'm not mistaken, not even one. Not even one ticket was given in the assembly elections of Karnataka.
No, that's not true. In Gujarat, when you talk about it, there are 250 Muslims who have won on BJP tickets at Zilla Parishads and at district levels. And that's where it is most important.
How do they not qualify at the assembly level?
Because that's where their daily problems are.
Counter coming in from Mehboob Beg. He's raised his hand out there. Mr. Beg.
No, 1 minute. Arnab, let me finish what I'm saying first. Please.
She is talking about
I want
BJP,
to talk about the fact that these are secular exploiters.
BJP governments.
We want
the
to...
fate, Arnab, you gave, perhaps you asked me to respond to her.
Yeah.
Arnab.
But let me finish what I'm saying, then you respond.
You gave me time to rebut.
He's rebutting you, Kiran Kher. Let
No,
him.
it's not you, it's Arnab. He is the anchor.
Let
But what
Kiran-
is he rebutting me on? I haven't answered yet.
No, the question is simply this. It's
Let
both-
me I say that our core
Kiran
issues
Kher, you are
remain our
getting-
core issues.
Miss
But that
Kher-
does not stop us
Miss Kher, you are
from
getting...
this kind of secular
Miss-
exploitation that's taking place in this
Mr.
country.
Miss Kher-
The Muslims of this country need
Miss
to be
Kher,
empowered.
don't-
There are 8 people elected in Goa who are Christians as MLA.
Arnab.
Is that not secularism?
Arnab,
Ms. Kher, please, let's get Mehboob Beg to respond. Ashok Malik hasn't
Arnab.
spoken yet, neither has Mr. Rajagopalan. Mr. Beg, with your permission, can I get Mr. Rajagopalan in first? Because I want to get them to the debate on
Please
Ashok
go.
Malik and I'll come back to you. Mr. Rajagopalan, the question to be put to you is this, that the BJP wants to change its image. So, in a way, you should welcome it. Unless you want to take advantage of this communal, non-communal, secular, non-secular divide, unless you also want to indirectly benefit from the politics of
Exploitation.
polarization, unless you are determined to avoid development as the main issue in the 2014 election, why would you oppose it? Why would you oppose it? Welcome it if the BJP is changing its image.
Arnav, I would like to have every party opposing us or aligning with us to be secular. I would welcome if anybody changes the basic character, not somebody who tries to do a lip service. If you look at BJP, they are neither doing a minority or a majority politics. What they've been doing all through was a divisive and destructive politics. They converted entire India into a graveyard. Their only aim is how to demolish place of worships. They never had any concept of building an India. They would like to build their careers and futures on the graveyard which they created. So if they can really change the basic character, definitely we will welcome that. Not a lip service. What have they done when they were 6 years in power? What happened to their change of character? So now they are trying. In 2009 election, both the majority and the minority, both of them have definitely voted against the BJP, and definitely that's the reason Congress has come back to power with a thumping majority. Today Congress is trying to address the entire nation as a whole. We are not trying to divide the fabric of India. We are not trying to destroy the fabric of India, but we are trying to build a new India, a better India, a sane
That's all right. That's all. That's all nice talk. But the fact is that there is
My
a.
God, I mean, is this an election speech?
Well, I think both the Congress and the BJP are
I
doing
mean, how
election
can you
speeches
say that we
tonight.
have built India on the graveyard of people? This is absolutely wrong. You're telling lies to the nation.
Yes, after demolition of Babri
No.
Masjid, there were more than 1,400 people died in bomb blast. From 93 to 2013, in 20 years, more than 1,400 people died in bomb blast.
I do not think
graveyard.
we should discuss riots on this show. You have another day and you call us for 3 hours, we'll discuss it. 37 riots between 1960 and the 1990s, all in Congress-led states. Not a single FIR lodged. Not a single FIR lodged. You don't be holier than thou. 1984, where are the FIRs? Gujarat, there are so many cases going on.
I didn't talk about riots.
Ashok Malik.
You have made an industry.
Ashok Malik.
You have made an industry of
Ashok
this
Malik.
perception.
I don't know
very
who's
wrong.
making an industry
Yes,
of it.
I'm here.
I don't know. You didn't even answer my question, Kiran Kher. How many people did the BJP give tickets to
What was your question? Tell me.
Because the answer,
What is?
I can give you the
I told
answer.
you we gave 250 tickets on Zilla Parishad levels.
And
we
what
gave
about the
8
State
tickets to
Assembly,
MLAs
Gujarat?
in Goa.
What about the-
else do you want me to say?
What about the
How
Gujarat
many
Assembly?
Muslims are there in
don't
the
forget
Congress
us.
party over there? How many tickets did the Congress party
You
give?
see, Ms. Kher, don't mind.
Tickets
my-
are given on
Miss
winnability.
Kher, Miss Kher, it is very
35%
nice.
Muslims voted for
It is
India.
very
for,
nice. It is
BJP.
very nice, to do these image makeover exercises. It is very nice to have a panel.
It's
It is
not
very
an
nice
image
to have a vision document for minorities. But the fact
Why
is,
not? Isn't it
fact
nice?
is,
It's
fact is,
wonderful.
Miss Kher, fact is, you have Ayodhya, Article 370, Uniform Civil Code, anti-conversion bill, and a lack of a single statement from Mr. Modi on Gujarat 2002. You can't balance all constituencies at the same time. Who's
That's
being
not
hypocritical?
true, Arnab.
You take a
Arnab,
position
he
on
has
these
said
issues
very
and then
often.
bring out a
He
vision
has said
document.
ve-
Before you bring out a
Yes,
vision
I will
document and
tell
other
you,
things,
I will tell
you
you, but
take a
let me
position on
answer
these
it.
issues.
But let me
Ashok
answer
Malik,
it.
will it work?
No, that's
Ashok
not
Malik,
true what
will it
you're
work?
saying.
Will it
But
work, Ashok
Arnab-
Malik?
or not?
Image makeover, will it work, Ashok Malik?
जवाब तो देने देते नहीं.
You see, let's give the BJP some time to actually release the document. We haven't even seen the document yet.